Hello guys, you're welcome to WepTech Academy. I'll be your tutor for Entrepreneurship Model 2. On the Entrepreneurship Model 2, we're going to be looking at identifying business opportunities. We're going to be looking at recognizing market gap and unmet customer needs. We're going to be looking at conducting market research and competitors analysis. And we're going to be assessing feasibility and viability of business ideas. It's going to be an amazing time. Look for your pen and your notebook. Let's see you in the next tutorial. Identifying business opportunities involve identifying potential areas or niches where there is a need or demand that can be met profitably. Now, let's get to understand what niches. Apart from niches, what again do we see? Potential areas. Question: do you think that there are some places in business that are not potential? What do we mean by potential? Let me take an example. You want to set up a shaving salon. All right, now, why do you think is the best place to open a shaving salon? Let's think about some of them. A school, let's say maybe a marketplace, depending on the people that you are targeting. Why will I open my shaving salon near a school? Because I know that I'll have students that will be shaving. Near the market because people regularly pass by. That's a potential area. Understanding niches. What about niche? We talk about suitability. A niche can be a job or a position or an area that is suitable for business. So identifying business opportunities has a lot to do with potential areas and also niches. Now, when we also talk about identifying business opportunities, I would also like to explain on value. Before assessing or falling in love with a business opportunity, you should be able to rate from 100 or down to 1 if this business is really valuable. I want some of the KPIs that can help you know if the business is valuable. Let's go back to niches. Customer base. Raw materials. I also like to make mention of the process. Now, me measuring my value will come to how suitable it is. I also like to look at the customer base. Will it be easy for me to get customers in these new opportunities that I found? Raw materials. If you are producing, let's say you are making a arrow to sell, how much do they buy raw materials there? And how much do you think when you are done cooking the arrow, you are gonna sell it? Process. How much time do you spend? Will you need to employ another person to work together? You have to all consider that. Now I have talked about arrow, and I would like us to look at the value of a arrow business. I want to create a business by name Danny Arrow. The first thing I'm going to consider is the niche. I would like to choose a location where it's either close to the school, a Carrefour, where people usually come and eat, and I would like to always come during the midday, create a time that I feel that is suitable for people that they will come and eat. The second thing I'm gonna calculate is my customers base. By doing my market research, we're getting there. The next thing I'm gonna calculate is how much raw materials will I buy? And the next thing I'm gonna look is suitable price for my clients. With this, it's gonna help me know if Danny Arrow is gonna make it. By first choosing an area, customer base, raw materials, suitable price for my clients.